wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Ananda Resti Putri. I'm student from University Bina Sarana Informatika, Faculty Economy and Business, Program Study Accounting. Today, I will speak up my opinion about our new president. On February 14, 2024, our beloved country has held a people party where all Indonesian people who already have identity card use their voting right. There are three prospective candidates. Namely, the first pair is Mr. Anies Rashid Baswedan and Mr. Muhaimin Iskandar. The second pair is Mr. Prabowo Subianto and Mr. Gibran Rakabuming Raka. And the third pair is Mr. Ganjar Pranowo and Mr. Mahfud MD. Stage by stage, such as open debates of candidate and vice president, campaign, and other followed in an exciting tense atmosphere, but everything passed and the end won by the number two pair, namely Mr. Prabowo Subianto and his deputy Mr. Gibran Rakabuming Raka was declared President and Vice President of the Egg Republic of Indonesia on October 20 yesterday. Both of them took the oath of President and Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia. My hope as Indonesian citizen, hopefully Indonesia will be more advanced, developed, and improved the creation of both employment opportunities as well as the vision and mission that you have promised in the campaign yesterday are well implemented and trustworthy. Amin. Okay, maybe enough my opinion about our new president. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Ananda Resti Putri. I'm student from University Bina Sarana Informatika, Faculty Economy and Business, Program Study Accounting. Today, I will discuss about simple present tense. Okay, let's begin our study. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a verb which is used to show habitual action or general truth. Habitual action, the mean is your daily activity. The example, you go to school every day. Every day is your habitual or your daily. And general truth, the mean is a fact. Example, a week has 7 days because there are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. We can use it the simple present tense for 1. A fact, 2. Habitual action, 3. Things that don't or won't change, and 4. Describe about yourself. In the simple present, most regular verb use the rule from expect in the third person singular. Look at one more third person singular and only which end in s or s. Before I explain, look at this. The first person singular is I. Second person singular is you. Third person singular is she, he, it. First person plural is we. Second person plural is you. Third person plural is they. Look at the example for person singular. The first example, I make delicious cake. I saw a first person singular. Make is a verb and delicious cake is the object. The second example, you make delicious cake. You show a second person singular. Make is a verb and delicious cake is a object. The third example, she makes delicious cake. She is a third person singular. Makes because she is third person singular. The rules letter ends at a s. To be, she makes delicious cakes. Example for person plural. We make delicious cake. You make delicious cake. They make delicious cake. Only third person singular editing a verb with s. Okay. Next, how to form the simple present tense for a few verbs the third person singular and with s instead of typically. These are verbs whose root from and in o, ch, sh, x, ss. Example, first person singular, I go. Second person singular, you go. Third person singular, he goes. He goes because only third person singular editing a verb with s. Okay. First person plural, we go. Second person plural, you go. Third person plural, they go. Note, a consonant plus y is changed the y to I then add x. Example, I study becomes she studies. I cry becomes he cries. Because she and he is the third person singular. And the example end with s, other study and cry, add and letter with o is go, ch is watch, sh is wish, x is box, ss is dress. Adverb of frequency for simple present tense. There are every day, every week, always, usually, sometimes, and never. How to make the simple present negative and how to ask a question. How to make the simple present negative? The formula for making a simple verb negative is do or does, not plus or does rule from verb. You can also use the contraction don't or doesn't instead of do not or does not. Example, the positive, she goes to library every day, and the negative, she does not go to library every day. A verb, back to verb 1. For you want change a present negative. The example number 2, the positive, they go to library every day. And interrogative, they do not go to library every day. How to ask a question? The formula for asking a question in the simple present is do or does plus subject plus true form of verb. Look at the example. Example number 1. The positive, she goes to library every day. For interrogative, does she not go to library every day? Example number 2. For positive, they go to library every day. And for interrogative, do they not go to library every day? The formula for positive: subject plus verb 1 plus s or s plus object. And for negative, subject plus do or does plus not verb without s or s plus object. And for interrogative, do or does plus subject of plus verb without s for or s plus object. The example: for positive, they want to be a dancer. They is a subject, want is a verb, to be a dancer is object. For negative, they do not want to be a dancer. They is subject, do not is rule if you want a chance to negative simple present tense, and to be a dancer is object. For interrogative, do they want to be a dancer? The answer yes, they do, or no, they do not. The last example for positive, she wants to be a dancer. She is object, wants is a verb 1. Don't forget if third person singular, add with s, okay? To be a dancer is object. For negative, she does not want to be a dancer. She is object, does not is rule if you want change to negative simple present. To be a dancer is object. For interrogative, does she want to be a singer? Also for interrogative, a verb is want, no add with s. Only for positive, simple present tense. The answer, yes, she does, or no, she does not. I finished my explanation about simple present tense. I hope it's useful for you guys. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.